What is Pinterest SEO and why you should care in 2025? Have you ever wondered why some Pinterest pins get thousands of saves while others barely get noticed? The secret isn't just pretty graphics or trending topics. It's something most creators completely ignore, and it's costing them millions of potential views. Today, we're diving deep into Pinterest SEO, the game-changing strategy that could transform your Pinterest presence in 2025. If you think Pinterest is just a digital mood board where people save recipe ideas and home decor inspiration, you're missing a massive opportunity. Pinterest isn't just social media. It's actually a visual search engine with over 400 million active users searching for solutions, products, and ideas every single month. And just like Google, it has its own algorithm that determines which pins get seen and which ones disappear into the digital void. Here's what most people don't realize about Pinterest in 2025. The platform has evolved dramatically. It's no longer enough to simply create beautiful pins and hope for the best. Pinterest now uses sophisticated artificial intelligence to understand user intent, analyze pin performance, and deliver exactly what searchers are looking for. This means if you're not optimizing your pins for search, you're essentially invisible. Let me share something that might shock you. Pinterest drives more referral traffic to websites than Twitter, LinkedIn, and Reddit combined. Yet most businesses treat it as an afterthought. They'll spend hours perfecting their Instagram posts or crafting the perfect tweet, but they'll throw together a Pinterest pin in 5 minutes without any strategic thinking. This is backward thinking that's costing serious money. Pinterest SEO works differently than traditional SEO, and understanding this difference is crucial for success. While Google focuses primarily on website authority and backlinks, Pinterest cares about engagement signals, freshness, and relevance to user searches. When someone searches for healthy meal prep ideas, Pinterest looks at factors like pin saves, clicks, comments, and how recent the pin is. It also analyzes the pin description, board title, and even the text overlay on your image. The beauty of Pinterest SEO lies in its longevity. Unlike other social platforms where your content dies after a few hours, Pinterest pins can continue driving traffic for months or even years. I've seen pins that were created 2 years ago still generating hundreds of clicks per month because they were properly optimized for search terms that remain relevant. So what exactly is Pinterest SEO? It's the practice of optimizing your pins, boards, and profile to rank higher in Pinterest search results. This involves keyword research, strategic pin descriptions, board optimization, and understanding Pinterest's unique algorithm preferences. Think of it as the bridge between your content and the people actively searching for what you offer. The Pinterest algorithm in 2025 prioritizes several key factors. First is domain quality. Pinterest favors pins that link to high-quality websites with good user experience. Second is pin quality, which includes both visual appeal and engagement metrics. Third is freshness, meaning newer pins often get priority in search results. Fourth is relevance, determined by how well your pin matches what users are searching for. Keyword research for Pinterest requires a different approach than Google keywords. Pinterest users search with visual intent, often using longer, more descriptive phrases. Instead of searching for marketing, they might search for social media marketing tips for small businesses or content marketing strategies that actually work. This specificity creates incredible opportunities for targeted traffic. Your pin descriptions are where Pinterest SEO magic happens. These aren't just captions, they're your opportunity to communicate directly with Pinterest's algorithm. The first 50 characters are crucial because they appear in search results. You want to front load your most important keywords while keeping the description natural and engaging. Remember, real people will read these descriptions, so keyword stuffing will backfire. Board optimization is often overlooked, but equally important. Your board titles should include relevant keywords, and your board descriptions should clearly explain what users will find. Pinterest uses board information to understand pin context and determine when to show your content in search results. A board titled "Stuff I Like" tells Pinterest nothing, but "Healthy breakfast recipes for busy mornings" gives clear signals about your content. One of the biggest Pinterest SEO mistakes is ignoring seasonal trends and Pinterest's unique user behavior patterns. Pinterest users are planners. They're searching for Christmas decorations in October, summer vacation ideas in March, and back-to-school content in July. Understanding these seasonal patterns and creating content ahead of peak search times can dramatically improve your visibility. The Pinterest algorithm also rewards consistency and authority within specific niches. If you consistently create high-quality pins about home organization, Pinterest begins to recognize you as an authority in that space. This topic authority can boost the visibility of all your related pins, creating a snowball effect of increased reach and engagement. Rich pins are another crucial element of Pinterest SEO in 2025. These enhanced pins pull additional information directly from your website, including article headlines, product prices, and business information. Rich pins not only look more professional, but also provide Pinterest with more context about your content, potentially improving your search rankings. Video content on Pinterest has exploded in popularity, and video pins often receive preferential treatment in search results. However, video SEO on Pinterest follows similar principles to image pins. Your video title, description, and thumbnail all need strategic optimization. The key is creating videos that provide genuine value while incorporating relevant keywords naturally. Pinterest Analytics provides invaluable insights for optimizing your SEO strategy. Pay attention to which keywords drive the most impressions, which pins generate the most saves, and what times your audience is most active. This data helps you refine your approach and double down on what's working. The future of Pinterest SEO looks increasingly sophisticated. Artificial intelligence is becoming better at understanding visual content, user intent, and context. This means authentic, high-quality content that genuinely serves user needs will become even more important than keyword manipulation tactics. Here's the bottom line. Pinterest SEO in 2025 isn't optional anymore. It's essential for anyone serious about growing their online presence, driving website traffic, or building brand awareness. The platform offers incredible opportunities for businesses willing to invest time in understanding its unique search ecosystem. Start implementing these Pinterest SEO strategies today, and you'll be amazed at the difference proper optimization can make. Your pins will reach more people, drive more traffic, and ultimately deliver better results for your business or personal brand.